Welcome back. In our previous videos, we have automated WhatsApp and Facebook, and now it's the turn for Instagram. So do watch the entire video and it will be interesting. Welcome to ASA Learning. To automate Instagram, we are going to use a free Instagram Python bot which is Instabot. To install this, we have to give pip install Instabot in our environment. So I'm going to copy this command, pip install Instabot. I'll paste it here. And we have successfully installed Instabot library. After successfully installing Instabot library, we are going to import it. From Instabot, we are going to import bot. So we are going to create a bot object. I'll name it as ASA bot. As simple as that. So it shows the bot has been started, but we need to log into our Instagram profile. I'll show you our Instagram ASA learning page. So this is our Instagram page. asa.learning is the username here. And here we have our weekly post according to our YouTube videos. And now we are going to post a photo in this ASA learning page using our Python code with the hashtags. And now let's get back to the Jupyter notebook. First we need to log in to our Instagram profile. I'll use the same object, ASA bot. We have login function. This takes username and password. Here the username is asa.learning and I'll give the password. And now if I run this cell, we will be able to log into our Instagram profile using our Instabot. And now it has been successfully logged in and it returns true. It shows that we have logged into our ASA Learning Instagram page. It is really simple to follow or unfollow someone. So go to your Instagram. I'm going to follow The Rock. So let's search for The Rock. You only need the name of the profile that you're going to follow. So here the name of the profile is The Rock. You can see we are not following now. Now let's follow using our Python code. So ASA bot.follow of, and here you need to specify the exact name of the user profile which you want to follow. I'll give The Rock here. Let's run this cell. It shows that we are following now. So let's go back and refresh the Instagram page. If I refresh, I should see following. Yeah, now you can see we are following The Rock. Let's go back to my page. Let's click here. You can see we are following The Rock. And it is also easy to unfollow someone by using the same method. And now let's upload a photo with caption and hashtags. In our working directory itself, we have logo.jpg image file and we are going to upload it with a caption and hashtags. So let's use the same object ASA bot and we have upload photo function. This takes the image file path and the caption. So the image name is logo.jpg. Let's specify caption and hashtags here. I'm going to specify it as automated post, hashtag ASA learning, hashtag explained in minutes. As a sample, I have given only 2 hashtags here. So now let's run this cell. It should upload our photo with the caption. It returns the width and height of the photo and we have a JSON response as well. So now let's get back to the Instagram page and we will refresh it to see our photo. So I'll refresh this page now. After refreshing, we got our photo automatically with the caption and hashtags. As simple as that, right? So this is an automated post from our Python code. Thanks to Instabot library, in just a single line of code, we are able to upload photos to Instagram. Do note that you can send automated messages to multiple users or a single user from our Instabot through our Python code. It is very simple. We are going to use the same object asabot.sendMessage of the message you want to send. We have send message function where it takes the message string itself and the users that you want to send. Here I am sending it to multiple users. So I have specified the user profile names to which you want to send. And hence this message will be sent to the list of the users that you have specified. And do note that you can also get the followers information, the people that you are following and all the other stuffs using Instabot. It is very simple. So I have just given an overview here how you can upload, log in or follow or unfollow someone and send messages using Instabot. If you find this video interesting, leave a like, comment your queries below. I'll try to answer all your queries. Do check out the playlist link for social media automation and other explained in minutes videos in the description below. And do subscribe to ASA Learning and ding dong the bell. See you all in another interesting video in Explain 10 minutes. Take a pound.